Welcome back, foodies. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey through the vibrant streets of Japan. Join me as we uncover some fascinating unknown facts about a beloved winter dish, Oden. Get ready to warm your soul and expand your culinary horizons. Let's dive right in. Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts. Oden is a traditional Japanese dish that has been satisfying taste buds for generations. But did you know that there's so much more to this comforting meal than meets the eye? Well, get ready to be amazed as we reveal some surprising and lesser-known facts about Oden. Oden has a rich history that can be traced back to the 17th century in Japan. It was originally inspired by Chinese hot pot dishes but evolved over time to become a unique and beloved Japanese specialty. Oden stalls became popular during the Edo period, where people would gather to warm themselves and enjoy this delightful winter treat. Oden is all about slow and gentle simmering. The ingredients, which usually include a variety of fish cakes, tofu, daikon radish, boiled eggs, and konnyaku, are cooked in a flavorful broth made from dashi, soy sauce, and mirin. The long simmering process allows the flavors to meld together, creating a comforting and aromatic dish. One of the unique aspects of Oden is the ability to personalize your meal. Oden stalls typically offer a wide selection of ingredients, and you can pick and choose your favorites to create a customized bowl. Whether you're a fan of fish cakes or prefer the tenderness of tofu, Oden allows you to tailor the experience to your liking. Just like many other Japanese dishes, Oden embraces the concept of using seasonal ingredients. The selection of ingredients can vary depending on the region and time of year. In winter, you'll often find heartier ingredients like daikon radish and burdock root, while in summer, lighter options like fish balls and tofu may take center stage. Oden wouldn't be complete without a variety of dipping sauces to enhance the flavors. Popular choices include karashi mustard, which adds a spicy kick, and a tangy soy-based sauce called ponzu. These sauces not only complement the ingredients but also provide a delightful contrast that elevates the overall taste experience. Believe it or not, Oden has a unique tradition known as Oden afterparties. After enjoying Oden at a local stall, many people gather at izakayas or bars to continue the culinary festivities. It's a wonderful way to bond with friends and indulge in more delicious food and drinks while reminiscing about the comforting flavors of Oden. And there you have it, folks. Some intriguing unknown facts about the heartwarming and versatile dish known as Oden. From its historical roots to the personalized experience it offers, Oden is a true testament to the richness of Japanese cuisine. So, the next time you're seeking comfort on a chilly evening, consider trying this traditional delight. Thank you for joining me on this culinary exploration today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating food adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep expanding your culinary horizons. Happy Oden feasting!